Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the camper's knot tying kit. Let's tie a knot. The rappelling knot. This is a good knot for rappelling. It slides on a rope when loose, but holds well when weight is applied. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.